Dako naman tayo ngayon sa BARM dahil sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, nagawa sa rehiyon ang surgery gamit ang robotics technology. Kung paano yan, alamin sa sentro ng balita ni Leanne Bolongan ng PIA Suxurgen.
Inilunsad ng Cotabato Regional and Medical Center o CRMC ang kauna-unahang robotic surgery program sa Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Gamit ang SSI Mantra 3.0 Robotic Surgical System, pinangunahan ng certified CRMC robotic surgeons kasama ang SSI Mantra team ang nasabing surgery bilang bahagi ng pangako ng ospital sa ligtas, mabisa at maaasahang serbisyong pangkalusugan.
Since this was the first, medyo challenging, but with the help of the entire team, including our robotic nurses, robotic biomed engineers, also the SSI Mantra team who came all the way from India to support and help us do our first cases here in CRMC. The first procedure went smoothly.
Kabilang sa robotic-assisted surgeries ang cholecystectomy o gallbladder removal, robotic inguinal hernia repair at ang planong pagsasagawa ng urologic at gynecologic procedures. Ayon sa CRMC surgical team, ang robotic surgery ay isang uri ng minimally invasive surgery na gumagamit ng makabagong robotic instruments na kinokontrol ng mga bihasang surgeons sa pamamagitan ng surgical console.
So far, the SSI Mantra robotic system is really smooth. I had no problems with the controls. The dexterity was very optimal. Also, the camera control, very smooth and precise po yung robotic arms. We're very excited to do more cases.
Ang paglulunsad ng nasabing program ay sumasalamin sa mahalagang misyon ng CRMC na maghatid ng makabagong serbisyong pangkalusugan. Mula rito sa Cotabato City BARM para sa Integrated State Media, Leanne Bolongan ng Philippine Information Agency, Suxurgen.